Okay, now we'll move to exercise 4, where we have two sentences. S1, they moved the desk into the hall with difficulty, and S2, they moved the desk with the wooden drawers with difficulty. Now we are asked to analyze the two sentences in terms of their constituent structure. We give their constituents and their types, and we give the grammatical functions of all the sentence elements stating the verb complementation. Type, is it subject plus verb plus object, SVO for example, is it an SVC, an SVOC, etc. You've studied this in grammar in your second year. And finally, we are going to draw the tree diagrams to show the difference in structure between the two sentences. Let's start by answering A and B together, giving the constituents and their functions. Let's start with they moved the desk into the hall with difficulty. We have what we call in SVOA plus an optional adjunct. So here they is an NP, its function is a subject. Move the desk into the hall with difficulty, of course, is the VP, it's the predicate. Moved is a verb. The desk is a noun phrase functioning as a direct object. Into the hall is a prepositional phrase functioning as an adjunct of place. And finally, with difficulty is a prepositional phrase functioning as an adjunct of manner. For the second sentence, it's an SVO plus an optional adjunct. They moved the desk with the wooden drawers with difficulty. They is an NP subject, the rest is a VP predicate. We have moved is the verb. Now the desk with the wooden drawers is an NP functioning as a direct object, and with difficulty is a PP, which is an adjunct of manner. Now what's the difference? The desk into the hall are two different constituents, and the desk with the wooden drawers is just one constituent. Because here, if you remember, if we apply the constituency tests, what did they move into the hall with difficulty? The answer would be the desk and not the desk into the hall. But here, what did they move with difficulty? The answer would be the desk with the wooden drawers. So with the wooden drawers modifies desk, but into the hall does not. So we will draw tree diagrams that represent the desk and into the hall as two different constituents, and the desk with the wooden drawers as one constituent. Let's do that. Starting with S1. So difficulty is a noun amounting to a noun phrase. We add the preposition, we have our prepositional phrase, we leave it. Then we'll move to the following, which is into the hall. We start with the hall, so hall is noun. These determiner, together we have the noun phrase, we add the preposition, and together we have the second prepositional phrase. Then we'll move to the desk. Desk is a noun. There is a determiner, the two of them is a noun phrase. And finally, we add the verb. So this verb is post-modified by three phrases: an object, an adjunct of place, and an adjunct of manner. The four of them together constitute our verb phrase. As you can see, it becomes very easy to draw the tree once we did the analysis of each constituent in the tree. Then finally, the subject is a pronoun amounting to a noun phrase. The three of them together, the two of them, together makes the sentence. Now let's see how this is different from the following. As usual, with difficulty, a noun amounting to a noun phrase. With a preposition, we have a prepositional phrase. Now, if you notice, we went a little bit up because I know that the desk with the wooden drawers, the noun phrase is long, so it's going to take a little bit of space up when I'm drawing. You always need to think about this while drawing your tree to have a beautiful tree. So drawers here is a noun, wooden is an adjective, and the is a determiner. The three of them together amount to a noun phrase. With is a preposition. With a noun phrase, we have a prepositional phrase. This prepositional phrase in this sentence modifies desk. What is with wooden drawers? It is the desk. And we add the determiner. The three of them together make the noun phrase. So the PP modifies the noun. It's not on its own like here into the whole. Then mood V. So only 3 elements here make up the VP, and finally we add the NP in the sentence. So the difference here is that the desk and into the hole are 2 different constituents. The desk is the object, into the hole is the adjunct of place, while here this PP with the wooden drawers, it's part of the noun phrase, it modifies the noun. It is the noun that is with the wooden drawers. So 1 constituent and not 2. And this is all for exercise 4.